Is email marketing is difficult? In this video we are going to find out the solution of it, right? We are going to deep down in this particular thing, whether email marketing is difficult or not, right? So let's take an example. Sometimes we ask about whether it is difficult to ride the bike or not, but in that time we know that the person who know how to ride the bike, if for him it is very easy to ride the bike, but the people who don't know how to ride the bike, for them it is very very hard to do that, right? So the same thing happens to the email marketing only. People right now, they have a bias that before doing anything they wanted to collect a lot of information. So when they collect a lot of information in that time, when you collect a lot of information in that time, what happen, you not doing anything, but you are thinking too much about it, you are putting the question too much about it. In that time you feel that, okay, I think I'm not going to become a YouTuber, because I already watched so many videos about YouTube, and I think it's going to be very very difficult for me. So in that time they think it is difficult, but they don't have they don't have taken the action on it, right? So I don't think so email marketing is difficult if you know how to do that in the right way. So what you need to understand is that you need to first learn how to do email marketing, and then you need to start doing that every single day. Then you need to build your email marketing list. You have to understand what you are selling, who is your target audience. You have to learn small thing every single day, and you don't have to become perfectionist on this, right? Because if you feel that one day if I became professional and if I become perfect at it, then only I'm going to do that. Otherwise I will just only watch the video and I will learn it and I will stop it. No, you're not going to do that, right? So what you need to understand, email marketing is not difficult if you know how to do that. So what you need to do, you need to learn, right? When you don't know how to speak in front of the people, you cannot do that. It's going to be hard for you, obviously. So what you need to do, you need to learn how to do that step by step. You need to learn every single day, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. This is your time to learn that, right? When you are learning about that, now you are getting so much of answer of your doubtful question which you have. Now once you got the answer, now you are preparing for it, now you are doing something. Once you do that, now you see, okay, I don't think so it's going to be very very difficult for me, which I used to think once before, right? So that's what exactly happened to email marketing. If you ask me, I don't think so I'm a good email marketer. I don't think so. I'm not a good email copywriter. I'm always in the process. I'm going to learn every single thing. And to be very very honest with you, I am not good with this both of the thing, email marketing, email copywriting, but I'm learning every single day. I'm not good with the recording the videos. If you ask me two years back, I used to have a feeling I record a good video, but right now if I'm recording this video, I know I'm making a lot of mistakes, which I feel right now. But that does not mean I should stop recording the video, I should stop learning about the email marketing. That does not mean that, right? Because that is my job. My job is to take care of the process. Result will take care of them by their self, right? So what you need to understand, email marketing is not difficult if you learn about it. Anything is not difficult if you are ready to learn. If you are not ready to learn, if you just think about in your mind, then everything will be difficult for you. If you want to give the interview, still that is going to be difficult for you because you are not ready for the new information. So that's why, that's how exactly it is, right? I already given you the example of riding a bike, public speaking, interviews, so many examples I already put you already given in this particular video only. So I don't think so email marketing is difficult till the time you have an open mind to learn from it, right? From anybody who already done well or who has the open mind to learn every single secret of email marketing. So email marketing is not difficult. Thank you so much. Make sure to comment down below whatever your thoughts are, and if you have anything to say to me, you can obviously reach out to me on Instagram, where I'm posting every single thing every day or by my post in Instagram. Thank you so much guys for watching this full video. Thanks a lot.